What do you want me to make you do?
I don't want you to
Make you yawn?
make me yawn.
I'm trying to stop you from yawning. Yeah, I was like, do this exercise with me.
Hyperventilate real quick.
Yeah, because it's like you only yawn because you're not getting enough air into your lungs. So you were yawning the whole time. We were trying to do a video. I'm setting up the camera. We're trying to do a video, and you're just yawning the whole time. And I'm like, oh my god. If I yawn because you're yawning the whole time, it's over. We're not gonna record anything tonight.
Over.
Yeah, because you're breathing slower than normal. When you're like, tired, your body's just like, it needs to get more air in, so your body makes you yawn. That's the science and biology of it. So I was like, do this exercise.
Thank you, Bill Nye.
I'm not Bill Nye. Get out of here.
The science guy.
Nope.
Yeah,
Did you like Bill Nye a lot when you were younger?
I did.
I thought it was the worst. It used to come out on the cartoon block, and I hated it. I was like,
why?
Because it wasn't a cartoon in the cartoon
No,
block.
but he had a very personable, funny way of teaching kids science. It was like he did cool experiments that kids were interested in, but you also were learning while it was
At the
happening.
time,
He's still great.
Look, I'm not like duffing on the guy, okay? I'm saying when I was younger and I was watching the cartoon block on a Saturday and Bill Nye came on, I was like, damn, this could have been a cartoon. Put him on right after, I'll still watch, but it has like...
No, you won't.
Yeah, I would
wouldn't.
have. There's
Yeah,
some
right.
cool little science things he had in there. Like, you do something with a balloon and magic. I forget some of his tricks.
Yeah, because you didn't watch it, so you don't know.
Because I'll switch to the other channel that had a cartoon.
You're funny.
So, since you love Bill Nye so much, did you watch Bill Nye Saves the World on Netflix?
I didn't even know that it was on Netflix.
I know the answer. I knew you didn't know because you don't care that much about Bill Nye.
Well, I mean, not now. I don't care. I mean, I think he was pretty great when I was a kid, and I think he's a funny guy because like I see some like.
Does he do stand up?
No, he just does like some of his commentary on like social media stuff is pretty funny, or his responses to things. Like he'll pop up as memes and things.
He would do some guest hosting in Neil deGrasse Tyson's Star Talk. Usually when when Neil deGrasse was unable to host himself, like Bill Nye would step in.
It's like really good replacement host.
Pretty much.
I love it.
So, wow. I do not have Star Talk in my podcast list now since I got the new phone.
Whoa.
Okay, good catch.
Glad we
Good
were
catch.
talking about this.
So I need to find more podcasts, and I want to know if you know of any because I run through mines too fast.
And I'm a true crime lover, so if you've got any suggestions, let me know that aren't Serial or Limetown or Criminal or
What else?
S-Town or there's a few other ones. I can't think of any, but let me
What
know.
about that UK one? You don't like it? You say the voices are off?
I don't know which one.
We
you're
walk
talking
in their
about.
shoes, something like that?
I don't know what that one is.
I'll share it again.
All right.